Hello, and I'm really glad that you have decided to watch this video, and I will completely make sure that it will be really worth it. In the next few minutes, I will show you what does that exact step look like. And by the way, I am Rudranarayan Rai Chaudhary from India, and I have been working on this since 2019. The real reason behind this project is to bring 5G's full potential in the second and third world countries in the least possible time. And for easier understanding, I have divided my ideas into three parts. That is, how we are going to solve the problems of 5G. Second, how we are going to disrupt this trillion-dollar telecom industry without competing with anyone else. Third, in the future, how Google is going to completely dominate this IoT industry from the very beginning itself. As we all know, there are many countries out there which do not have dense optical fiber networks like United States and United Kingdoms. So do you think that using the same strategies we can bring 5G in those nations? Before telling you the strategy out, let me show you what is the problem we are about to solve. Some of the problems are how you are going to set up large number of small cell towers in the least possible time to ensure maximum coverage, how we are going to tackle the speed drops of 5G in the indoors. And the solution to that is really simple. That is by replacing the DTH services with Google Internet TV service, through which we can easily replace the DTH antennas with 5G small cell towers, and the optical connection from the small cell towers to your indoors will make sure zero speed drops under several circumstances. And bring home 5G with Google Internet TV service will lead us to set up this dense network of small cell towers and be ready for shared tech service model. And not only the service provider will leverage our model to ensure maximum coverage, but also our users can auto switch to the best service provider in their area, which will not only eradicate the problem of having multiple SIM cards, but also the benefits will be many. And this is how exactly Google is going to dominate this trillion-dollar industry without competing with any other service providers. And now the future and our entry into 5G new era. Internet of Things, the obvious application of 5G. The reason why I presented it like this, because for most of our customers, Google is a software company, and for them it is really weird to see Google fan slides, etc. Instead, we can have a separate division under Google like IA, which will be responsible for manufacturing hardwares and make their appliances smart, and then only they can support Android OS. Such devices can be labeled as iDevices, which can be operated from anywhere around the world. Now, my question is, if there are several IoTs in a house, how you are going to interact and monitor them simultaneously? Second, if every object in a house is now online, then what is about your privacy? And exact solution to that is to have a quantum home brain chip for your house, which will integrate all your IoTs and will give you the best performance at all cost. Why quantum computers? Because quantum computers will be an exponential advantage to our users to ensure cybersecurity. And not only that, our users can interact with the house directly without any Alexa or Siri. As we all know, there are over 3.5 billion active Android users around the globe, and that makes us the right fit to build a vast ecosystem of iDevices around them. Now, the right thing to do is to be the nexus of 5G new era in the second and third world countries with the Internet TV service, and disrupt this IoT industry completely via IA and your QHCCs. In the end, I have tried my best to give you as many insights regarding my idea in the least possible time, for which I had to filter out some of my points from my strategy, which I have prepared in a timeline order like this. If you really think my idea worth it for Google's future, then I will be looking forward to talk with you in a complete detail so that we can make this happen as soon as possible. And with that, my dream of visiting Google campus might be a reality. In the end, a big thank you for giving your precious time and sticking till the end of the video. Hope we'll meet very soon. Signing off.